What's happening, everybody? We're back in Surfside Beach, South Carolina to check out the construction and the update for the Surfside Pier. Let's go check it out. First thing, let's look at these concrete steps. Make sure they don't fall. Looks like they're coming along pretty good. Not sure when the actual completion date is, but I think it's supposed to be the March of 2023. We're right here in front of the Surfside Beach Oceanfront Hotel. Yeah, look, that's a crow or a raven up there. All right, back up here on the beach side. A lot of people. Let's see if we can get out there before it rains. There's Scotty's Beach Bar. Always happening. All right, if you noticed the wet sand here, there was a torrential storm last night, but over, well, yeah, it was early this morning, but over Garden City and Myrtle's Inlet looks really nice. But on the other side of the pier, if you look at North Myrtle Beach, I think they're still getting hammered. We'll get a better look shortly. So it's Saturday today, and I think the temperature said 69 degrees, but it feels a little bit hotter to me. There's your lifeguard on duty. So it's done bumped up from 69 degrees to 74 degrees. Sun's out, about almost 12 o'clock, time for lunch. All the So let's look at the end down here. Let's see here. To show you a perspective of how big these pillars are. See Bunny B? See if we can get down close to the ocean here. So I guess it is low tide, right? See if we can try to get on the other side. All right, we're on. Ready? walk through here while it's low tide. So on the other side, so if you look down here toward North Myrtle Beach, you see it's really dark. They're getting rained on right now. Heck yeah. How'd you like to be on that working? Let's see if we can get on this side of it and get some footage. It feels hotter than 74 too. So here's the north side look. All the way down. Still working on it. Now up here are some pictures, or there were some pictures showing what it's going to look like when it's complete, if they still have them up. So I don't know if you can see these that good, but this is supposed to be what it's going to look like when it's complete. Kind of faded now. That right there. And right here beside us is the River City Cafe. Construction still going strong, I guess. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed this tour and update about the Surfside Pier for July. Make sure you like and subscribe for future videos. And as always, keep beaching.